In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment methods in Wix. This is an essential step for any online enterprise, and I'm here to guide you through the entire process. With this tutorial, you'll be ready to accept payments seamlessly. So, let's get started. First, you need to access your payment settings. If you're running a Wix store, you want to begin by heading over to your site's dashboard. Think of this as your control center, where you have access to all the tools you need to manage your site effectively. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. You'll usually find it on the menu on the left-hand side. Click on it, and it will take you to a section where you can tailor various aspects of your online store. Now that you're in the Settings section, the next important step is to select the Accept Payments option. This is where the magic happens. This section is crucial as it allows you to determine exactly how you will be receiving funds from your customers. Accept Payments is like setting up the till in a physical store. By setting it up correctly, you ensure your customers can transact smoothly, which is pivotal for a positive shopping experience. While you're in this section, take a moment to review all the available payment providers that Wix supports. Wix gives you the flexibility to choose from a variety of payment methods, such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, and other digital wallets. Selecting the right payment providers can depend on where you're operating and who your target customers are. Offering several payment options is a great way to cater to a diverse audience and can ultimately help increase sales. Once you've familiarized yourself with the options available, you can start connecting your site to these payment providers. To do this, you will need to follow the prompts for each payment method to set up an account or link accounts you already have. Take your time at this stage, as the accuracy of information like account numbers and other credentials is vital for smooth transactions. It's always a good idea to double-check each detail to prevent any hitches down the line. Finally, after you've set everything up, be sure to test your payment methods to ensure they're working correctly. You can do this by making a small purchase on your website acting as a customer. This soft launch helps you verify that everything from selecting an item to completing a transaction functions without a hitch. There you have it, an approachable guide to setting up payment methods in Wix. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your online store is ready for business with secure and reliable payment solutions. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your Wix store.